I had this experience where I don't remember what I was doing. I don't remember what I was working on. And I had, as I was doing this, as I was doing this EFT on whatever it was, I had this crystal clear memory pop into my mind of my big brother when I was little, when I was like 6th, 7th, 8th grade. We'd always used to play basketball together, and he always used to clobber me, and I used to want to not play, and he'd huck the ball at me, and he would just be really mean to me, kind of basketball abuse. What?
It sounds like my kids last night.
Yeah. And that image, that memory came to me, just went, and I went, oh my gosh, because I would always be crying, because he would chuck the ball and it hit my head, and I didn't want to play anyway because he always destroyed me.
Is this your little brother? Your big brother?
My big brother, yeah.
Yeah, that's the exact same thing last night.
And
Soccer ball.
and so I went, oh, there must be a reason that popped into, so I went, even though I was really ticked, and I went through all the emotions that I had of that. And now, it's really amazing when I think about that. I mean, I would chuckle anyway thinking about it, but all the energy associated with that experience just went gone. Completely gone. And that wasn't gone before. It was like still, gosh, I ticked off at him he was a pretty mean brother.
So do you find that you have to do multiple rounds a lot, or
Yeah.
not all the time?
Well, the short answer to that is most of us lived pretty difficult childhoods. Most of us nobody slid through 0 through 10, on a skateboard. We all have tough things. And as we went through junior high, I mean, holy cow, one of the most crazy times. All of those things are still part of us. All of those traumas, all of those emotions, all of that energy is still part of us unless we do something about it. This is just one tool of many, but this is just one tool that we can use when we are not feeling, peaceful, harmonious, balanced, homeostasis, that we can apply. There's others, but this one is as clean and as immediately available as anything I know of under the sun.
Does it matter if we follow what you did here, or in that manual it was a little bit different?
Yeah, it's...
Because he doesn't do the tapping on the head, and he does more tapping on the head.
Yeah, and
Yours is just a shortened.
it doesn't matter a whole lot as long as my experience is these 8 or 9 spots seems to be sufficient.
Yeah, he didn't do this.
Yeah.
He did more on the fingers.
Yeah, the right here. Oh, right. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I have this one that I use that's closer to what's on your page. Seems to work wonderfully. Okay, are there any other questions about this? Don't want to belabor this, but... And again, and I hope you read that page on skepticism. It's okay to be really skeptical of this. I was for a year. And I just kept doing it. You don't have to buy it. You don't have to trust it. You don't have to believe in it. Doesn't help. It really doesn't help. Because then you start getting invested emotionally, and that's not where our healing happens, from our emotions. And so just go, heck, I don't know, I'll try it. I'm scared to death of this game that I've got tonight. And watch what happens. But don't believe in it. Don't buy into it. Just try it. It's like weightlifting.